Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to make a daily checklist on iPhone. Creating a daily checklist on your iPhone can help you stay organized and keep track of important tasks throughout the day. The iPhone includes built-in apps that make it easy to create and manage checklists without downloading additional software. Follow these steps to create a daily checklist on your iPhone. To begin, unlock your iPhone, then open the Reminders app. Tap the Add List. Enter your name for a daily checklist. Choose a color or icon for the list if desired. Tap Done to create the checklist. Open the newly created list. Then tap New Reminder. Enter your first task. Then tap Return on your reminder to add additional tasks. Repeat the process until all daily tasks are added. Set reminder dates or times for important items by tapping the checklist. Then tap the eye icon, toggle on the date, and choose your date. Then toggle on time and choose your time if needed. Now tap the check button to save. Tap the circle next to a task to mark it as completed. Review and update the checklist each day to keep it current. Note, a daily checklist can help you prioritize tasks and stay focused on what needs to be done. Checking off completed items provides a clear view of your progress throughout the day, and regularly updating your checklist can make it a valuable tool for managing routines, goals, and responsibilities. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.